Hey guys, how are you all doing today? So in today's video, I will be unboxing the April Fab bag, and I got this as PR, super excited, and let's unbox. And before we begin, if you're somebody who's into makeup, please do consider subscribing to my channel because we're all about makeup. I'm also available on Instagram. This is my handle. And now let's get into the video. For those of you who do not know what is a Fab bag, just a quick thing. So Fab bag is a monthly subscription box. It comes in 3 variants, whereas monthly, I think the basic is $5.99. Then it goes on to 6 months and then 12 months. For more details, I will link down their website in the description box. Best thing that I like about it is that they give these different bags monthly, and you can store these, you can store your makeup products XYZ in it, and that's what I really like about them. And they're super affordable as well. Now, there are quite a few products inside this Chodusa bag, so let me show you what all's there. Now the first thing that's there is the Soap Company India Midnight Love Body Cologne. It's 50 ml, and let's see what it smells like. It's a pretty decent smell. Like, I can't particularly give a name to the fragrance, but it's very nice. It's plastic, so you can keep it in your bag. It's very nice, and what I really like about it, you can refill it with whatever other cologne you might have at home, so that's quite nice. And the fragrance is also very nice and very mild, not very strong, which I personally like. So that is the first product. Second product is Organic Harvest Active Neem Face Wash. This can be really good for acne prone skin, I believe, with BSE free active. So it's basically a cleanser. Then the next product is Kiara Cosmetics Vitamin Tree. That is the product. Skin Mattifying Soothing Sorbet. Okay, I can't really make much of what that means, so I'm going to read a little bit of the description. Application: use a small amount in the day after cleansing and toning the skin. So basically they're trying to say this is more like a moisturizer, but it's like in gel form. It's like aloe vera gel. I find that a little hard to believe, because these gels, like, it looks like aloe vera gel, and it does have a bit of a strong fragrance, I believe, to use on the face, because I don't really like heavy fragrance products for the face. And what I find hard to believe is that it says it's mattifying. Now, gel products, I have never come across something that is gel and mattifying at the same time, so I'm going to leave it on my hand for a little while and see if it actually mattifies. Currently though it's not, so I'm going to leave it on for a while, and by the end of the video let's see if it mattifies or not, because personally, as a first impression, it's not looking so great to try on the face, as it has a lot of fragrance in it, but I don't want to judge too soon. Alright, so moving on to the next thing. Next thing is a coconut charcoal detoxifying sheet mask. Sheet masks are super hydrating for people who have extremely dry skin. For people who have oily skin, doesn't make much of a difference, but yes, if you want to just have a quick facial, a quick hydration to your face, you can use this. And the next thing, which is the most interesting thing for me, is a creamy matte lipstick by Sugar Cosmetics. This is their new Sugar Women range. I had also done their eyeshadow review and swatches. You can check out that video as well. And let's see this one. Also, you could pick the shade that you guys want in this. They have 4-5 shade range. They have originally more, but with, I'm just seeing if it's mattified or not. Well, it's not. And I'm gonna leave it on for a little bit more and then see. So I had picked up the shade 10 Legendary Lass. That is what the shade looks like. It's a really deep plum shade, so I have all nudes and pinks. I don't really have much of plums, so I thought I'll go for that, and I'm just gonna swatch it on my hand for you guys. It's really pigmented and really nice. Like, it was butter when I tried to swatch it. Now let me swatch it on my lips also for you guys. I'm just going to remove what I'm wearing, and then let me swatch it. Okay, so I have removed whatever I was wearing, and I'm just going to go use you guys as my mirror and apply this. Oh, It's really pigmented. Now currently I have done a bit of fancy eyes today, so it might not go with this look because I personally don't like very loud eyes and very loud lips. But if you've done something very basic and minimal to the eyes and then applied this lipstick, it's gonna look fab. So guys, that's the shade. Currently, yes, it's looking a little loud because my eyes also are a little loud, but if you just see the shade individually, it's a very, very pretty shade. And as I said, if you're not into plums, whatever you might be into, pinks or nudes or whatever, you guys can pick colors. And the next product that they have, and this is a product that I so wanted to try because I love sunscreens. This is the Biore UV Aqua Rich Watery Surge. They have a small tester size. Now this is a little bit expensive, so I was a little hesitant to like buy it in the first go, but now that I've got a tester one, I'm quite excited to try this out. I've heard a lot about this in the market. It's basically SPF 50 plus, and I am going to review this one as when I'm done using it. So that's pretty much it. That's all the product. Now there is some paper bit into it, basically discounts and renewal offers. Also they've given me a discount code if you guys want to buy. It's called SEEP10, so if you guys can get a 10% off if you guys like to. Also, something that I completely forgot is that the product does mattify, but at the same time, as I said, it has a lot of fragrance, so I personally will not be using it on my face for sure. Maybe I'll use it on my body, on my hair or something like that, just because it has a lot of fragrance. I cannot say how is it on the skin because I'll not be using it. Just fragrance is an issue. And that's all for this video. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.